Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm doing a bit of an unboxing. I've got myself one of these carbon fibre kits off of eBay for the MST RMX 2.0. Works out to be about $60 US for $100 Aussie. I really couldn't complain. There's still a little bit of flex in there in the carbon. Looks pretty decent quality carbon fibre too. Nice little etching and cutouts and bevel work. Nicely done, very nicely, very nice indeed. I quite like that. Still, like I said, still a little bit of flex there. Compare that to the stock chassis. It's a little bit more flex in the plastic one, obviously, but as to be expected. In the kit, you also get these to run down the center and brace it up compared to the plastic. Very nicely cut out. For the price, you really can't complain. I do wish that these come in some different colours though, but for the price, really cannot complain at all. It's a nice alloy, solid, that's for sure. Definitely compared to, I mean, they're still pretty solid, but obviously got a little bit of flex in the plastic. You also get this bumper brace. It's all really nice, especially for the price. Really cannot complain at all. I may get the scales and weigh these and see how difference we have between the main components. We'll go with the chassis. Start with the stock chassis, 113 grams. Carbon fibre, 64.9, nearly 65 grams, but nice. Half the weight, pretty much. What about these brace pieces? 28. Bag, 15.5, once again, half the weight. Not expecting too much of a difference between these pieces, the shock towers and the brace. 25. They're actually heavier by a few grams, so. But for the main chassis pieces, basically halving the weight of the actual chassis. Adding a couple of grams for these, but that's a bit of a trade-off you get. Well, I'm going to get into putting these back together. Please smash that like button, share and subscribe. Feel free to comment, and yeah, I'll get this together and I'll take it out for a cruise. See how she drifts. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.